Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to import photos from the video file. Let's start. So select File, Import, Video to Photo. I prepared a video file here, this video file from PowerDirector. So select this and click Open. In this video to photo dialog, choose the first one, capture video frames as new photos. We can capture photos in this video editor. There is a slider to see the entire video. You can choose the correct frame what you want to export. So take this one or this one. If you click on this icon, capture current frame, you can create a image, a photo from the video, what can be imported later with this button. Go to the library. You can choose, of course, more of the images. Select. Another way to select images is to click on auto import. If you click on auto import, you can upload to type the number of frames what you want to capture. So try 5. Start. These images will be removed. OK. Automatically captured images from the video are divided into even sections at the beginning, at the end, and the center of two selected image. If you want to capture image from the inside the video, you can click on the editor, trim video. The trim video editor dialog is opened and you can choose the part what can be used in capturing process. So click OK. The captured image is removed, but you have a sub-select of the video, and here now you can select. Of course, there are true theater adjustment. You can adjust sharpness, lighting and color. You can play with these sliders with the settings if you want. So at the end, if the pictures are already captured, you click to go to library, where to put these pictures. So these pictures, what was extracted from the video, are available for editing. This is the way how to capture a photo from the video file if you create a video for YouTube and use this image as a custom thumbnail. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. See you!